going to learn a new topic. So, the name of the topic is clothes our protectors. We all know that clothes are an essential part of our livelihood. We all human beings need clothes to cover our body. But in the earlier days, people did not have any idea about clothes, or we can say there was no production of clothes or any type of fabric. So in those days, how did the people cover their bodies? The people in the early period, they used to cover their body with the leaves of the trees or with the skin of the dead animals. But later the fabric was discovered, and then from the fabric the clothes were manufactured, and then people started using the clothes. But what is the use of these clothes? Can you tell me? Yes, clothes make us look smarter. Now you may feel, how do the clothes make us smarter? You know that we don't wear only one type of clothes all the time, isn't it? When we come for the school, we wear school uniforms. While at home, we have different clothes to wear. When we go out for some parties, we have party wear clothes. When we have some festivals at our home, we have traditional dresses. Then when we go for some outing, for picnic, we use some other type of clothes. So the places where we go, according to that we change our dressing style. So the dresses, the clothes that we wear, they make us smarter, they make us beautiful, isn't it? So also these clothes, they protect us. How do they protect? They protect us from the sun, they protect us from the cold. So also they protect us from the rains. The dresses, or we can say the raincoats, they protect us from the rains. So also the clothes, they protect us from any insect bites, isn't it? Yes. So the clothes also help us to identify the jobs of the people. You know that the doctors, the policemen, or we can say the lawyers, all of these professional workers, they are having their special uniforms. And when we see these people in their uniforms, we can easily identify them that this person is a doctor. When a person is wearing an apron and having a stethoscope in his neck, we easily identify them. We just say that yes, he is a doctor. When we see someone in a military uniform, what do we say? He is an army man. He is a military officer. Similarly, when we see a person in a police dress, we identify him easily that he is a policeman. So also the lawyers, we can easily identify them because of the clothes that they are wearing. Because of their uniforms, we can easily identify the profession of that person. So clothes are very essential for all the human beings. But we do not wear the same type of clothes in all the seasons. We know that in India we have summer season, we have winter season, we have rainy season. Throughout the year we can't use same type of dresses. According to the change in the atmosphere, according to the change in the seasons, we keep on changing the types of clothes that we wear. So as I told you, in different seasons we use different clothes. So let us see which are the seasons that we have in our country and what are the types of clothes that we wear in all these seasons. So the first is the winter season. In winter season, the atmosphere is very cold. The temperature falls down and it is very cold outside, as well as when we are in the house, we feel very cold. So in such type of season, that is the winter season, we use the woolen clothes. The clothes that are made from the wool. Why do we use these woolen clothes? Because the woolen clothes make us feel warm. They keep away the cold and they increase our body temperature. They don't allow the heat which is inside our body to move out of our body. So in the winter season we use the woolen clothes. Now what are these woolen clothes? In woolen clothes we have sweaters, we have mufflers, we have head caps, then we have gloves, then various types of stylish jackets. We have all these are made up of wool, and all these types of clothes are called as woolen clothes, and we wear these woolen clothes in the winter season. So the next season, that is summer season. In summer season the temperature in the atmosphere is high. The sun is showering his rays on us, and the sun rays are having a high temperature during the summer season, and during that time we want that we should feel cool by some or the other way. So in such season, that is the summer season, which is very hot, we like to wear cotton clothes, the clothes that are made from cotton. Why do we want it? Because the cotton allows the body temperature to move outside and it makes our body cool. So in cotton clothes we can say we have various types of cotton shirts, cotton pants, cotton dresses, cotton frocks, cotton kurtas. So various types of clothes are manufactured from the cotton fabric, and we use the clothes that are made from the cotton fabric in the summer season because the cotton helps to move the heat out from the body, and it helps to keep our body cool. That is why in the summer season we use the clothes that are made from cotton fabric. So also in rainy season we prefer to use raincoats over our usual dresses. So whenever we want to go out during the rainy season, we can't go in our usual dresses. I can't wear my dress and just move out. I have to use some type of special cloth which does not absorb the water or which allows the water to move away from me. So the raincoats are prepared from a fabric which does not absorb the water, and it keeps our clothes dry. The usual dress that we are wearing inside the raincoat, it helps to keep those dresses dry. So in rainy season all the people, most of the people, they use raincoats. Some of them use umbrellas to keep the rain away from them. So these were the 3 seasons and the types of clothes that we wear during these 3 seasons. So also I told you why are clothes important for us, what are the uses of clothes for us, and the clothes, types of clothes that we use during various seasons.